Hello traders, welcome to Shonya. Today we will see in this video how you can transfer funds to our virtual account through RTGS, NEFT and IMPS. So first we will go to the website of Finvacia. So as you can see, the website of Finvacia has been opened. After that, we will go to the tools option of the above menu. Here we will click on funds transfer. So you can see funds transfer page has been opened. Each client has its own separate virtual bank account, which will be the first 6 alphabets like FINVAS and then your client code. So we will enter our client code to view the virtual bank account. So as we type our client code, you will see below, and in the bank account number, a virtual account has been created. The first 6 alphabets are FINVAS and the client code with it. So under the same you can see Finvacia Securities Private Limited in the name beneficiary, bank name, IFSC code and branch name are already given. Now we will add these details to our bank as beneficiary, then for which we will go to net banking of our bank. Here we are adding beneficiary to our HDFC bank because this is our primary map bank in Finvacia. Keep in mind, if you are transferring funds to a virtual account, so the bank from which you will transfer the funds should be the primary mapped bank. To add a virtual bank account, you have to add it to the Add Beneficiary ECMS account, that is virtual account. So we have put virtual details. After that, you will see in some time that your beneficiary account has been added. So now we will transfer the funds. We will go to transfer to ECMS account. Here we will select the details and enter the fund amount which we have to transfer. Here we are putting rupees 100 and we have confirmed the amount. So you will see that we have received the acknowledgement of funds transfer status in net banking, and after that we will go to check the fund in Shunya web application, and here we will go to the limits page to check the funds. So you can see that the fund transfer of rupees 100 we had done is visible to us in the field of online bank transfer. In the HDFC bank, you need to add a virtual account number as a beneficiary in ECMS option. But in other banks, clients can add beneficiaries with normal option. So this was a brief overview on how you can transfer funds to our virtual account through RTGS, NEFT and IMPS. Thanks for watching. For any further assistance, please contact us.